Wood is a very versatile material. It can be adapted in numerous shapes, forms, and sizes. There are numerous super cool wood wall art ideas that you can incorporate in your home and office. One such an option is a welcome sign. The welcome sign is the first thing that your visitors will see when they visit you. Hanging a wooden welcome sign on your wall, either just outside your door or in your hallway, will give your guests a warm welcome that they will truly love. A wooden welcome sign looks simple, elegant, and super welcoming. Now, isn't that what you want in a welcome all sign? That's just one example of a wooden wall art or wall decor item you can make from scrap wood. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we have brought to you yet another collection of scrap wood wall decor and scrap wood wall art ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. If you think a wall in your living room or your dining room is too plain, you may want to add some wall art to it. What can be better than reclaimed wall art? Reclaimed wall art adds love to any wall. It looks attractive and can serve as a focal point. With reclaimed wall art, you are sure to get some compliments from your guests. The best part about a wall like this is that it would go well with any theme that you have decided for your interior and would not look out of the place. There is nothing wrong with giving yourself a constant source of motivation. As humans, it's easy for us to lose sight of what we must work towards. But it is the resilience that matters. Nobody can motivate you more than you yourself. And that is why I suggest that you hang some motivation on your living room wall or your bedroom wall so that you are reminded to stay put every day. A wooden wall hanging with a motivational quote would also make a wonderful wall decor that is sure to bring about a rustic feel to your interior. Carved wood wall art adds warmth, style, and class to any interior. The intricacy and delicacy that carved wood wall art carry improve the entire atmosphere of a room. You don't have to worry about carved wood wall art not matching with the theme of your room because of how versatile wood is. It will align with any theme that you've chosen for your room. It is an ideal wall art idea for offices because it is sophisticated and stylish at the same time. The best wall art for a home is anything that has a personal touch to it. A family portrait is one of the most common wall arts. However, a family portrait that is unique and classy is something that is sure to bring a stronger effect. A personalized picture printed on the wood would give the interior a rustic, lively, and a fresh look. Such unique wall art will definitely grab some attention.